Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to make some body panels for the Axial Wraith. We're going to make these out of aluminum. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As promised, we are going to make some body panels for the Axial Wraith. This is the same way you can make body panels for other crawlers. Just takes a little bit of thought process, ingenuity, and patience. You guys well know this is the hood that come with this thing. It just does not fit, doesn't look right, doesn't fit, nothing. If I put it where it's supposed to be up there, you see it's got a big old spacing down here. It just does not look right. So we are gonna throw this away. It's gone. Get yourself a piece of paper, cardboard, whatever you would like. Brown paper bags are free when you go to the grocery store and you say, hey, put something in a brown paper bag. This is free, these work nice. Get it laid out to where you want it, cut it out. Make your body pin holes so you know where those are supposed to be at. Get it laid in the way you like it. See, now that covers up everything all the way up to the front. Left a little bit of area so we can roll this down so it actually looks normal. All right, that part's done. Let's go ahead and get the truck off, and gonna get some metal up here so we can show you guys the rest of it. Here's the metal that I'm gonna be using. It's actually pretty thin. It's nothing major thick or anything. Wanted to use this anyhow for a realistic purposes, because you know, with a rock crawler, you know, you're gonna rub on rocks and stuff. You want to actually physically see dents, scratches, bends, you know, if you roll it, because it's gonna happen. It happens out on the trail, and we want to make that realistic look. All right, so we take our piece that we made up. Get yourself on an edge on the metal where it's nice and straight if you'd like. However you want to do this. This is strictly up to you. Get it placed in. This metal does not take pin marks. It may take marker marks, but it did not take pin marks. So I took, as you can see, just a blue painter's tape. Just marked out edges of what I wanted to cut. So I'd put a piece here, you know, halfway in between here, and then across here. I'd leave this edge, you know, along here straight for it. I'd line it up so it's be nice and straight, but also I'd go here, here, and here with tape. Then I'd lay my pattern back down and take my pen and just trace right along the sides. Cut that out. This will cut with a regular pair of scissors. And then I'd lay another piece of blue tape right across here where my holes are at and mark my holes with a pen, and then I'll body ream those holes. Get a perfect fit, clean look. And here's what it's gonna look like. There's the final product. From that to that. Big difference, you guys see. It is longer. I kept the same upsweep right here. Kept the same upsweep because I kind of like that. That runs with the framing of the truck. I did not like this part here, way too short. See, this is longer. I just got to bend this down some. And here's my template that I made up. It's a perfect fit. That was the whole point of it. Boom. So this is simple. We can make mistakes on this, and if we make too many mistakes, we throw that away and start over with another piece. That's a lot cheaper than making mistakes on this. Let's go ahead and get this put on the truck and get all the other body panels cut and show you guys what it looks like. There's with the rest of the body panels. All the body panels are done. Looks a lot better than the other body panels that was on here. Took into consideration of some of my subscribers. They actually stated, hey, instead of having a full roof on here, do a half roof. And you know what? I kind of like the idea. My driver's still going to have his shade and protection from the rollover and rocks, but everything else is still wide open. You see, I kind of still left this V drop down in here. But I like this because it's going to give a realistic look on when it rolls over or rubs against the rock through here, because we know it's going to. Still waiting on my tires, so hopefully they'll get here soon. And you kind of see why I wanted to kind of go with this look. It actually matches the rims nicely. It's a good scheme. We're still going to be doing an interior in this truck and a driver, so I can't wait till this thing's finished, but she's just about ready for a test out there actually on some rocks. All right, let's go ahead and get to the closing. Well, what do you guys think of those body panels? Definitely a big change. I like them a lot better than what was on there. They're actually a little bit lighter. I like the way it's going to be able to give me my detail on when I rub against a rock or I roll over. I'll actually get a rolling effect on the panels themselves. And that's what I was kind of after. I want to keep everything realistic. All reality making the roof, the hood, and the two side panels. I'm probably half hour, 45 minutes into making all those. Making the holes, getting everything drilled out and to fit perfectly. It's really not that bad of a time frame. Definitely a whole lot cheaper than sitting here buying the body panels for them, because they vary for the plastic one, for the, you know, the clear plastic body panel ones are ridiculously expensive. They're like 50 bucks for it. The aluminum panels are $80, $90 to $100, depending on who you get them from and where you order them from. So this here, it was probably 10 bucks for making body panels. Definitely a whole lot cheaper than going to spend a bunch of money. So I appreciate it, everybody. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my channel. I hope this helps all you guys be able to make your own body panels for one of your projects. Until next time, we're going to catch you on the next episode. Have a good one.